आज फिफा वर्ल्ड कप फुटबॉल फायनल्स आनी म्हाका दिसता तुमी एक डिफरंट स्टायल भुरग्यां खातीर फुटबॉल पळोवपाक हें कार्यावळ दवरलेली आसा सो तेजेर मातशें सांगचें.
होय हांवें एक टोर्नामेंट फिफा वर्ल्ड कप टोर्नामेंट चालू जालें तेदोना हांवें फिफा विथ वॉरन म्हणून एक डान्स रील कॉम्पिटिशन दवरलें. हें कॉम्पिटिशन हांवें वडिलांक सिनियर सिटीजांक ते भाशेन यंगस्टरांक पार्टिसिपेट एनी वन फ्री फॉर एवरी ओपन फॉर एवरी वन एज लॉंग एज ओनली वन क्रायटेरिया दे हॅव टू बी फ्रॉम बेनावलीम कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी सातू गांवचे मुगेले हिंगा आमचे लोक तितलेंच एकू रूल आसलो आनी कांय रूल ना. यू कम इन अ ग्रूप यू कम सोलो whatever music you want to dance on, everything is open. So it was a very, very successful competitions. Participation has been done by a lot of people, from children from the age of 4 till senior citizens up to the age of 70 have participated. So there's a lot of enthusiasm, bhorpur energy. So that was what I had done, and is World Cup final. एक महीने आती after the tournament going on for 1 month. Today is the फायनल काउंटडावन म्हणटाय ते भाशेन आमचे फुटबॉल फायनल वर्ल्ड कप. हांवें आमचे बाणाले एक हॉल आहा काटकर हॉल एसी हॉल थिंगा हांवें 20x10 इंचाची LED स्क्रीन घायल्या. तेसो आनी स्क्रीन हे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन कोणें घायले ना. सो दीस इज ऑल अ वे ऑफ गिवींग बॅक टू द यूथ. आमी भुरगे आसतना आमी भरपूर फुटबॉल म्हळ्यार पिश्या भशेन चोयताले. सो जस्ट टू ब्रिंग दीस एनर्जी बॅक बिकॉज यू सॉ the state of football in Goa is very bad. Our football is not reaching the heights where it was. So I just want to revive this energy and passion among the youth. So that is the entire this.
सो ओवरऑल कमिंग आनी सांजचे जेन्ना फुटबॉल फायनल चलतले सो ते कितें कितें दवरलेलें आसा.
सो पयले सुवाते हांवें ते डान्स रील कॉम्पिटिशन दवरलें. तेजे 3 प्रायज आहाय 50,000 30,000 आनी 20,000 आनी 5 कन्सोलेशन प्रायजीस 10,000चे ते जाले. मागीर एवरी पर्सन दॅट कम्स फॉर द इव्हेंट टुडे हॉला कडेन तुका आमगेलो एक वॉलंटियर एक फ्री कुपन दितलो. फ्री हावजी कुपन. ते कुपनाचे तुकोडे तुगे नोशबा आहा जाल्यार तूं 25,000 जिखतलो 25,000 ते दोला. दीस इज ऑल टू रिवाइव एंड ब्रिंग एवरी वन बॅक टू आवर फुटबॉल रूट्स and bring the energy. It's a
at
celebration.
the same time football match will go on.
Football match will go on. So first at 10 o'clock this event starts. Every contestant's real dance, 1 minute dance will be shown on the huge LED screen. The contestant will speak about themselves. That will happen. Half time houses atuli. My winners will be declared when the World Cup trophy is being lifted by the winning team. So it's a full celebration. It's going to be nice.
So overall, if you go to see how has been the World Cup and whom you favor for the finals, Argentina or Spain?
See, I am a huge fan of Lionel Messi. I'm a hardcore Barcelona fan, the club that I support. So Messi has come up through the Barcelona style of play. So I've always supported wherever Messi is. For the World Cup, I've supported Brazil, Portugal and Argentina. Brazil and Portugal because we are Goans. It's in our blood. And thereby I've supported Argentina. Today I'm supporting Argentina. I hope by God's grace Lionel Messi lifts the trophy for the second time. And yeah.
So what is the message for your Banawali football lovers when you are doing this program?
मुगे मोगाचे आपुरबायेचे लोकांक बाणाले भाव भयणींक आनी ते भाशेन भुरग्यांक हांवें आयज जो एक कार्यक्रम जो दोला इव्हेंट my volunteers, my team and me, we have put in a lot of effort. Daito this space dekun zala, but this is all being done so that we as a community come together and watch this match. It's a very healthy environment, clean environment. There's nothing other than promotion of sports, promotion of football. No politics. This is the final. Ejhadi 4 orsan etole. You never know what's tomorrow, so let's all get together, united as one, as Goinkar. Ami ek barabor zan, ami aaj to final soya, and let's hope the best team wins, the team that deserves.
Your prediction of the scores?
My prediction is 2-1 Argentina with Messi scoring the winning goal.
Thank you.
Yeah.